In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make histograms with dynamic bin sizes in Tableau. If you're looking to enhance your data visualization skills, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to creating more interactive and insightful histograms in Tableau. First, you want to open the Tableau public app on your computer. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure you do so, as it's an essential tool for creating dynamic visualizations like the one we're making today. Once you have the app open, locate your worksheet. This should be the sheet where you plan to build your histogram. It's important to have your data ready and loaded into your Tableau workbook for a smooth experience. Next, in your worksheet, right-click on a measure, such as sales. Navigate to the Create option. This is a crucial step as we need to set up bins for a measure to create the histogram. After this, select the Bins option. You'll want to appropriately name your bins so they're easy to identify later on. Enter the size of the bins based on your data insights and the level of granularity you desire, then click OK to save your settings. Now, drag the newly created bins to the column shelf in Tableau. This will form the basis of your histogram's x-axis. Following that, drag another measure like quantity to the rows shelf. This action sets the y-axis and starts to shape up your histogram. For additional detail and clarity in your visualization, you can enhance your histogram by dragging and dropping a field onto the color shelf. This helps in distinguishing various data segments through different colors, making the histogram easier to interpret at a glance. Let's add some dynamism to our bins. Right-click on the measure pane again, and this time select Create Parameter. Name this parameter thoughtfully to reflect its purpose. Choose integer as the data type, which will allow the parameter to respond dynamically to your input. Enter a current value and select a range that suits the data variety you're working with. Once your parameter is set up, click OK. Then right-click to show the parameter on your worksheet. This allows you to adjust the bin size dynamically, providing flexibility and deeper insights into your data. Finally, return to the sales bins you created earlier. Right-click and select Edit. For the size of the bins, instead of a static number, you'll now choose the parameter you just created. This link enables you to adjust the bin sizes in your histogram dynamically using the parameter control you displayed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a histogram in Tableau with dynamic bin sizes. This makes your data more interactive and engaging for your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy visualizing.